Welcome to Investor Web, your reliable source for investment strategies and financial insights. This is the place where we unravel the intricacies of finance and provide you with the tools to navigate your financial journey. We're all about empowering you with knowledge, giving you the edge in the world of investment. Our commitment is to make the complex world of finance and investment accessible and understandable. We're here to guide you, whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out. Today, we're tackling a topic that seems impossible at first glance: making money with no money. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to show you that it's not only possible but achievable with the right strategies and mindset. So fasten your seatbelts as we dive into a world of possibilities and opportunities. Stay tuned as we delve into today's topic: how to make money with no money. You might wonder, how can someone make money with no money? It sounds impossible, right? But it isn't. Let's unpack this conundrum together. The concept of making money with no money is not about conjuring banknotes out of thin air. Instead, it's about understanding that everyone possesses something valuable that can be leveraged to generate income. This value could be in the form of skills, knowledge, creativity, or even time. Consider the story of a young lad who loved playing the guitar. He didn't have enough money to start a music school, but he had a skill and a passion for teaching. So he started offering guitar lessons at his local community center. His hard work and dedication paid off, and he started earning money, even though he didn't invest a single pound initially. This story illustrates the importance of creativity and hard work when you're starting with no money. Creativity helps you see opportunities where others see barriers. Hard work ensures that you make the most of these opportunities. It's about using the resources you have instead of focusing on what you lack. For instance, let's say you're a great cook. Instead of lamenting over the lack of money to start a restaurant, you could start a cooking blog or a YouTube channel. You could even offer cooking classes in your neighborhood. The key is to identify what you're good at and figure out how to monetize it. Moreover, in today's digital age, we have access to numerous free resources that can help us make money. From online learning platforms to social media marketing, there's a wealth of tools available at our fingertips. So, making money with no money is not a paradox. It's about being resourceful, thinking outside the box, and putting in the effort. It's about leveraging what you have to get what you need. Now that we understand the concept, let's take a look at some practical steps to achieve this. Firstly, identify your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Everyone has a unique set of skills and talents that can be harnessed for profit. Perhaps you're a whiz at graphic design, or maybe you have a knack for writing compelling copy. Whatever your talent is, there's likely a demand for it in the market. Now, how can you monetize these skills? One option is to consider freelancing or consulting. These options allow you to sell your expertise directly to businesses and individuals who need it. Another route could be starting a service-based business. This could be anything from a gardening service to a personal training business, depending on your skills. However, having a skill isn't enough. You need to market it effectively. This means understanding your target audience, creating a compelling value proposition, and communicating it effectively. Whether it's through social media, a personal website, or word of mouth, make sure your potential customers know about your service and why they should choose you over the competition. Once you've identified your skills and how to market them, it's time for the next step. The second step involves leveraging free online platforms. Now, this is where things get exciting. The digital age has revolutionized the way we connect, communicate, and conduct business. This has given rise to numerous online platforms that are essentially gold mines for anyone looking to make money with no investment. Let's take a look at some of these platforms. We have YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, just to name a few. These platforms aren't just for sharing cute cat videos or pictures of your lunch. No, they are powerful tools that can be used to promote your skills or services. For example, if you're a fitness enthusiast, you could create workout videos and share them on YouTube. Or if you're a foodie, you could start an Instagram page where you share your recipes or review local eateries. It's all about finding your niche and sharing content that adds value to your audience. Now, you might be wondering, that's great, but how do I make money from this? Well, that's where things like affiliate marketing and sponsored posts come into play. With affiliate marketing, you can promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. As for sponsored posts, once you've built a sizable following, Companies may approach you to promote their products or services on your platform. This could be a sponsored YouTube video or an Instagram post. And the best part, you get paid for it. But remember, the key to success on these platforms is consistency and authenticity. You need to consistently produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience, and you need to be genuine. People can spot a fake from a mile away, and nothing kills credibility faster than insincerity. So start exploring these platforms, find your niche, and start sharing. There's a whole world out there waiting to hear what you have to say, and who knows, you might just find that making money with no money isn't as impossible as it sounds. By leveraging these platforms, you can reach a global audience without spending a dime. The third step is to network and collaborate. Networking isn't just about shaking hands and exchanging business cards. It's about forming genuine connections with people who share similar interests and goals. It's about building relationships. And relationships are the lifeblood of any successful venture. Imagine a spider weaving its web. Each thread, each connection strengthens the web, making it more resilient and capable of catching more. That's what networking does for you. It expands your reach, opens doors to new opportunities, and strengthens your position in the market. Now, let's talk about collaboration. Collaboration is the process of working together with individuals or groups to achieve a common goal. It's about pooling resources, sharing knowledge, and leveraging each other's strengths. When you collaborate, you're not just doubling your efforts, you're amplifying them. Consider the story of two entrepreneurs. One decides to go it alone, relying solely on his own skills and resources. The other chooses to collaborate, partnering with others who complement his abilities. Who do you think will progress faster and achieve more? The answer is clear. Collaboration accelerates success. How can you network and collaborate effectively? Start by identifying your strengths and the areas where you could use some help. Seek out individuals or groups that complement your skills. Attend industry events, join online forums, and engage in social media groups related to your interests. Share your ideas and listen to others. Don't just take, give. Remember, successful networking and collaboration are built on mutual benefit and respect. And don't forget, networking and collaboration extend beyond the business world. They can also help you grow personally by providing you with diverse perspectives, new ideas, and valuable feedback. So take a moment to reflect on your current network. Who can you reach out to? Who can you collaborate with? Remember, every connection is a potential opportunity to grow and prosper. Networking and collaboration are key to creating opportunities and growing your income. So there you have it. The process of making money with no money. It may sound like a paradox, but it's more than possible if you're ready to put in the effort and leverage the resources around you. Let's take a moment to recap the steps we've discussed today. Firstly, we explored the importance of utilizing your skills. Every one of us has a unique set of skills that can be monetized. Whether it be writing, graphic designing, coding, or even just being a good listener, there's someone out there willing to pay for your expertise, so don't underestimate the value you can provide. Next, we delved into leveraging free online platforms. The internet is a goldmine of opportunities if you know where to look. From selling handmade crafts on Etsy, offering freelance services on Upwork, to teaching languages on Italki, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Then, we highlighted the value of networking and collaboration. Building relationships with like-minded individuals can open doors to opportunities you never even knew existed. Don't shy away from reaching out to others, collaborating on projects, and sharing your ideas. Remember, two minds are often better than one. The underlying theme in all these steps is the importance of creativity, hard work, and leveraging available resources. Yes, starting with no money is challenging, but it's not an insurmountable obstacle. It's a test of your resourcefulness and determination. I encourage you to start implementing these steps today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it may never come. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with taking the first step. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Investor Web for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.